Let's see how we can do a two-sample t-interval using the data from Target and Bashaz that was in the class notes. So I still have the data entered in my calculator in list 1 and list 2. To do a two-sample t-interval, I would go to Stat, go over to Tests, scroll down until we see two-sample t-interval, which is option 0. I already have the data entered in my calculator. If we were given the raw statistics instead of the data, we'd go over here to Stat and choose Stat. But I have the data entered in list 1 and list 2, and my confidence level is 99%. Here where it says pooled, don't worry about that. Just leave that as no. Our textbook does talk about the fact that we'll leave that as no for now. If you're going to say yes, you would have done some other preliminary hypothesis testing to choose that option. We're not going to worry about that. So always choose no for that and calculate. Notice the degrees of freedom here is 7.55. When we did it by hand, we had the more conservative 4. So the interval's not quite as wide as it was in our notes.